Hello to all the listeners out there. Thanks for liking, subscribing to my channel, and those who are new to my channel, welcome to all of you. So today's read that I'm gonna take out is for the next week, which is July 13 to the 19th, for all the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So if it resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like my readings if anything resonates. Also, you can connect with me on Instagram, What Energy Uniting Things. Okay, so let's start the read for all of our air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So the very first card that came up for all of you here is that you have to have a balance between your spiritual life and your practical life. Sometimes I think you guys are too much into your head and thinking about something and just saying, Divine, I want that to happen, I want that to happen, I want that to happen, and Divine is telling you right now, have a practical approach towards it, because I have heard your prayers, you manifested, I have seen your manifestation, I am ready to bring it into your reality, but you have to take a practical action towards it. If you don't take any kind of practical actions, we most of the time lose sight of that goal eventually. Let's see what else this card says for all you air signs there. Okay, so this card also suggests that if you have a certain question in your mind, if you're thinking whether I should go for it, whether I should do it, whether I should do it, you know what you have to do? You simply have to just sit back and meditate and ask the guided angels. Do not have this in your mind. Do not have your mind saying you stuff. Because a lot of the air signs are in their mind and they are just thinking, I won't get the answer, I won't get the answer. Yes, you won't get the answer because you already manifested it. What if you slept while doing the meditation? Nothing's gonna happen. You will receive the answer from the universe. Once you wake up, you will receive the answer from the universe. Also, a lot of people, I got this question about meditating, that what happens when, what if I put a guided meditation on and then I just go to sleep? Nothing's gonna happen. Whenever you start your meditation, just put that affirmation there. You have to put the affirmation that universe, whatever answers you want to give me, help me to remember it till I wake up. That is the only affirmation you need to put into universe 3 times, and there hasn't been a single person who hasn't received any kind of messages from the universe. You will get that message, you will remember that dream, you will remember everything about it. Just put this into the universe, and once you put this into the universe, clear your mind. Meditating is what? Controlling our thoughts, having control over those thoughts, not controlling them too hardly or too tightly, harshly, but just having a control over the thoughts. Just leave your, simply just have peace with your mind. If your mind is thinking something, put this affirmation also. Divine, help me to meditate. I need answer for this question. I am stressed about it. Help me to meditate and help me to remember whatever message comes from the universe. Please, put this affirmation. You will receive the answer. This is for all those who are actually still thinking. But I think most of the air signs here, they already know. All they have to do is just take a practical approach towards it. Most of the air signs have already manifested the thing. Just take a practical approach towards whatever the manifestation that you have towards your career. Okay? Let's see what else we have. they have a very strong intuition, but they don't want to believe it. So sometimes we ignore our own intuitions, and then later on you just say, I knew about it. The intuition does not let you, it's not going to let you down in any way. Okay? And if you want, if some of the air signs, they are not too much familiar with, you must be saying that how I'm gonna listen to my intuition. Again, meditate. The answer that you're getting from the universe is actually your intuitive message. It's your higher self guiding you towards your goal, whatever goal you want to achieve. It's your inner higher self that's guiding you. At this time, the intuition of air signs is super strong. I see that it's super strong for all the air signs for this next week. So whatever you're dreaming about, release all the fears into the universe and just go for it. Just go for what you want to do it. Just go for it and see what the divine has in store for you. Just see how the divine wants to bless you in many ways. Okay? Let's see what the next chart says for all of us. All the air signs basically. Hold your vision, exactly. So you have to keep holding that vision. As I mentioned, a lot of the air signs, they already know what they have to do. They already know. The only thing that scares them are the fears. Release all those fears. It's actually time for you. Your intuition is so strong. Whatever you bring into the universe, it's going to become your reality. Your intuition is so much strong, and this is not to scare you in any way. It is simply to tell all of you that you have to release the fear, send out all the positivity into the universe, send out whatever you want to achieve, send out whatever goals you want to achieve, and it is going to happen. It is going to happen in unexpected ways. Simply hold on to the vision. You simply hold on to that. You have to have the power, faith, and the patience. That is all the universe is asking from you. Just the power, faith, and patience. Okay. This card is also suggesting some of the air signs, not for all of you. Maybe all of you are not stagnant, but I think some of you are. So this card is basically suggesting you that you need to avoid that stagnation from your life. Once you release all the fears, your life will move much more quickly. If you want to see the life moving, if you want to see your dreams becoming your reality, you have to have a practical approach towards it. Yes, the very first thing is definitely you need to have a spiritual approach, but you have already done that. The spiritual approach has already, you have already reached that place where the divine has heard your prayers, where the divine has heard your manifestations, be it personal, be it professional relation. I'm not saying. I see more of a professional side here, but this card also says a little bit towards the personal issue. If any kind of, if you're thinking about any kind of a personal relationship, avoid stagnation there. And hold on to, holding on to a vision and being stagnant are two different things. Holding on to your vision means you have a certain goal in your mind. You are manifesting it. You are asking the divine to show you the way how you can go ahead with that. And the vision that you're holding on to is like, For example, my business is I'm just saying that I want my business to flourish, right? So I'm holding on to the vision that my business will be flourishing for sure, and no one can stop it. Now, what if I say I am in a certain job and I have that vision, maybe my business will flourish? That is stagnation. I'm not saying leave your job, but continue what you're doing. Also hold on to that vision. Also just have a practical approach towards that vision. That is going to give you much more of what you always wanted in your life. Okay? So let's see what the third card says. By the end of the read, for sure, we'll be on the conclusion if someone is still thinking, what am I supposed to do? Till now, these are just the advice that the divine is telling you, go for it, go for it. Let's see what we have. Okay, so the third card says you are too much in your fears, you need time to breathe out. You are too much in your head, you are thinking a lot about things. Your subconscious is always full. It is never free. Maybe you're thinking about the future, maybe you're thinking about the past, maybe, I don't know, whatever you're thinking about, you just need time to breathe it all out. Breathe all the fears out into the universe, and you will eventually have your goals set in stone. Sometimes there is downtime in life, I understand, there is downtime in life, but in that time, what we can do, we simply have to meditate, have peace with our inner self. Whenever you feel frustrated, sit back, relax and say, Divine, I need your peace. Give me your peace. I need to have peace in my mind. If those things aren't helping, go for some healthy habits like meditation and yoga. Sometimes only meditation does not help such people because the frustration level is too much. Why is the subconscious mind so much full? Because of the frustration we have about the past, about the future, about the present. We have frustration about everything. But we need to be at peace with our mind. Once you have peace in your inner self, you can accomplish whatever you want. You can simply go for your goals and you won't even feel the fears that you're having right now. You have to release all the fears into the universe. Simply release it out. It's time to breathe out. Just take some time off. It's completely fine. Take some time off. Try and release your fears first. Try and meditate. Try and get into the healthy habits of doing meditation, yoga, listening to your favorite songs. Okay, let's see what the last card says. Okay, so confidence is your key to success. That's why you need to breathe out, you need to release all the fears. Because the divine wants to tell you, divine is there, she is at your back. All you need is confidence. Confidence is the key to success. Yes, we become fearful. It's a very natural thing. But you are already on that spiritual path. So you know what divine is telling you to do. You know what divine has in store for you. It's just that you don't want to believe it. You don't, again, see, you're not following your intuition. That's what it's saying. Okay, let's see what this card says in detail. Okay, you have something in your mind, like a news cycle or something. Could be related to any of the personal issues as well here. I see somebody fearing about in some kind of a personal relation that you might have. You might have a kind of a personal matter in your family going on right now. Or maybe you're seeking for someone's attention, or maybe you want someone to come right away, or maybe you want someone. It's something about, if we take it in like a personal level, I see more of a personal approach towards this card. This card is actually telling me someone has something in mind that, when is that gonna happen? That's related to a personal issue. Maybe someone's asking for someone's attention. When I'm gonna get that? So the divine simply is saying to you that it's coming. It may not happen all by itself, but it is on the way, it is coming. It is already on the way, it is coming. So just release that thing from your mind. Someone just needs to release that thing, because once you release it, you'll see it's right there. You'll see it happening right away. Don't keep it in your head too much. Also, for the people who are thinking about the new projects or their career or their study, definitely keep on working on that. And for all those people, this is a sign that you need to have confidence. Everything is not going to happen just by itself. You need to have the confidence, you need to put that into your reality. You have put that into your reality, you have spiritually, basically we can say. But practically, also that is required. Don't stress too much about anything. There's nothing to be stressed about. Divine is there. Divine wants to help you. Just take Divine's help. Divine is there simply to help you right now. You have to shine your light. You absolutely have no idea what and how far your light can go. It's time to show the world real you and what you have got. It's time to show the world what you've got right now. You have earned it all. You have gone through all the obstacles, all the trials and tribulations. Now is the time to actually have some good time, actually have some fun time. By you not giving a practical approach towards it, you're simply delaying that process. And then eventually you have to go on that path. I usually say for most of the people, this is the highway. And Divine is showing you that's the highway. Just go straight on that. But you're stressing about, you are finding another way to reach. Eventually you have to go there. But you're just going to increase that circle. Why do you want to do that? Divine has seen your hard work. Divine has seen how much you have put effort into increasing your spiritual level. Now is the time. Now Divine wants to reward you. Take that reward. Take that reward. I'm telling all the air signs, take that reward. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It is an amazing read for you, and this week is so much significant for all of you. Do not let it go. Do not let it go. I'm telling you again and again, don't let fears come in your way. You have all the light. It's time for you. You have everything right now. It's time for you to show the world the real you and what you have got. You can't even imagine how much powerful you are at the moment. You need to be proud of yourself. That is the last message that we got for all the air signs, that you need to be proud of yourself, that you are so good at something. Just show the world what you've got and have fun. Your difficult days are over. Maybe you had it for like many years, like many past years. Forget about it. We are living in the present. Forget about everything. Go for it. Simply have to go for it. Okay, so that was all for all the air signs, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Hopefully you all got the message that Divine wants you to get, and stay tuned. Also, if you resonate, if any of the cards resonate so much or a lot with you, do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, till then, see you all in the next video. Bye.